Hi, as most of you always asking in the comment how to remove dark flash CPU cooler, so I've decided to make the tutorial video on to remove it. Please watch the whole video for step-by-step guide and I hope this would help you remove yours too. Okay, let's start. First, you need to remove the motherboard out from your CPU case. Now that it's removed, please watch closely how to detach it. Pinch this plastic lock and push it, but before doing it you must remove the lock pin. This is the lock pin that I'm talking about, just remove it first. Just twist and pop it out. There are 4 lock pins, so you should remove the rest. All done. The following video is cleaning and putting thermal paste and putting the cooler back on the motherboard. I would appreciate it if you continue watching the video till the end. Thank you so much for watching, and please continue to support my channel by clicking subscribe button and the notification icon for more upcoming videos.